I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Mac OS version so you know which interface you'll see. This matters because options move between versions. Now open System Settings or System Preferences and head straight to Lock Screen or Security and Privacy. Once there, make sure File Vault and Apple ID are ready if prompted. You're preparing the grounds so subsequent switches behave predictably and you avoid restarting halfway through. Next, locate the specific toggles for requiring a password and screensaver, timing to set values precisely. You now enable the Require Password option and choose an appropriate delay to balance security and convenience. Click the drop-down and select Immediately for full protection or a short delay if you need quick return access. This controls how long the system waits after sleep or screensaver. Then configure hot corners or add lock screen to the Control Center/Apple menu. These give instant locking when you move the cursor or tap a menu. Make sure your chosen delay and hot corner don't conflict with daily workflow. You finish by testing the lock immediately. Use the Apple menu lock screen or your hot corner to confirm the password prompt appears as set. Make sure Touch ID or Apple Watch unlock behaves as you expect. If Touch ID refuses, re-register fingerprints. If the lock doesn't engage, restart your Mac and recheck settings, then install Mac OS updates. As a last resort, reset NVRAM and SafeBoot to isolate software conflicts. This clears odd state without erasing your files. Keep one troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.